Understanding first jump in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might hear in English, first jump. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of its meaning and how to use it. The words first and jump are quite simple on their own. First refers to the beginning or something that comes before everything else. Jump means to propel oneself into the air. So, when we combine these two words, we get the phrase first jump, which refers to the initial leap or effort someone makes. However, first jump isn't always used in a literal sense. Figuratively speaking, first jump can refer to taking the initial step or trying something for the first time. For instance, starting a new hobby, changing a career, or moving to a new city can all be seen as a first jump in life. In this context, it means embarking on a new experience or challenge. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. The first jump is always the hardest when you're learning to skydive. 2. She took her first jump into entrepreneurship and opened her own cafe. 3. After years of hesitation, his first jump into writing resulted in a best-selling novel. From these examples, you can see the phrase being used both literally, like in skydiving, and figuratively, as in taking new initiatives. While first jump is a simple phrase, it's essential to use it correctly. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't overuse it. While it's a great phrase to describe a new venture, not every new experience can be classified as a first jump. 2. Context is key. Ensure that your listeners or readers can understand whether you're using the phrase literally or figuratively. And there you have it. Whether you're talking about taking a leap from an airplane or taking a leap into a new chapter in life, the phrase first jump is versatile and expressive. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage. Keep jumping into your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.